Our standard program is GreenThumb's most popular option, and with good reason. It provides the standard components your lawn needs to stay healthy, vibrant, and well cared for all year round. As part of the standard program, your lawn receives a full year of expert care designed to keep it looking lush, green, and full of life. With 4 seasonal Nutri-Green feeds, your lawn will get the right nutrients at the right time. Whether it's a well-established lawn that needs consistent care or one that's lost some of its former glory, we'll assess it and advise whether the standard program is the best fit for your needs. If your lawn is suffering from pest damage or disease, for example, we'll identify the issue and recommend additional effective treatment to restore it to its full health. A key benefit of the standard program is that it includes both aeration and scarification, essential treatments that go beyond simple feeding. Over time, lawns can become tired, a bit patchy, or prone to moss due to compacted soil and a buildup of thatch, a dense layer of dead grass and organic matter. Aeration relieves this compaction, creating channels that allow air, water, and nutrients to reach the roots more easily. Scarification reduces thatch and moss, helping your lawn breathe again and encouraging new, healthy growth. Together, these treatments revitalize your lawn from the ground up, transforming dull, struggling grass into a thicker, greener, more resilient surface. To help your lawn make the most of any moisture it receives, we also include our Oasis treatment. As well as a biostimulant with seaweed extract, Oasis supports water absorption in the soil, meaning you'll need to water less, even during the drier months. And to give your lawn extra strength, why not add our exclusive NutriBooster, a specialized nutrient enhancer designed to revitalize tired lawns and accelerate recovery even after stress or heavy use. Put simply, with all these treatments combined, your grass will stay greener, grow stronger, and maintain density throughout the year. So, if you want seasonal lawn treatments with ongoing support and understand the importance of annual aeration and scarification, our standard program is the ideal choice.